I hope you're all safe and sound. Whenever people come across some difficult words, people mostly use Google to find the meaning of it. But as a student, I suggest to use a dictionary. My father gifted me this dictionary for my birthday, and whenever I come across difficult words, I use my dictionary to find the meaning of it. Today, let us learn how to find a word and how to find its meaning. Friends, the first example is the word dictionary itself. The spelling of dictionary is Dictionary. So, the first letter of dictionary is D. We have to go to D. This is C. And here starts D. Here, the second letter of dictionary is I. So, here it is DA. So, we have to go to I. We can find out the whole page by seeing these two words, as it starts with this word and it ends with this word. Now I have to go to DI. I came to DIA. As the next one is C, here itself. Now we came to DIA to DIE. So DIC will be here. We reached. It is the word dictionary. What do you mean by dictionary? A book that lists the words of a language and gives their meaning. And the plural of dictionary is dictionaries. Our next example is obstetrics, and the spelling is OBSTETRICS, and the first letter is O. Now let us go to O. If this is N, the next letter is O. Come on, we came to O. OB. Here you go, OB. Come on, let us see here. Hey, the last word itself is obstetrics. And now let us see the meaning of it. And the meaning of obstetrics is the branch of medicine concerned with childbirth. The adjective and noun is given below the meaning, which is obstetric and obstetrician. Friends, I hope you have learned how to use a dictionary. Now let us go with our last example, which is philanthropy. The spelling of philanthropy is PHILANTHROPY, and this is started by P. So let's go to P. We have reached P. As it is PH, we reached PO, PL, PI, PH. Here, did you see the second? In the second row, the first one, philanthropy. And the meaning of it is the practice of helping people in need. The adjective of it is philanthropic and the noun is philanthropist. Do you know, friends, that root words of philanthropy is philan, which means love for, and anthropy, which is mankind. So, when you join together, it is love for mankind, or known as philanthropy. Friends, I think I have done an act of philanthropy by sharing this idea with you. Now, you can also be one philanthropist by sharing this video to your family and friends. Please click that like button to encourage me making more videos like this. And surely click that subscribe button and the bell button